Hello friends. So today we are discussing propositional calculus, which is a very important topic of discrete mathematics. A declarative sentence which is either true or false but not both is called a proposition or statement, and it is denoted by P, Q, R, etc. Some simple alphabets. So there are mainly two types of connectives to combine the multiple propositions, and those are logical connectives and conditional connectives. And logical connectives are of three types, and those are conjunction, disjunction, and negation. Now this is disjunction. Let P Sucrit is sincere. Let P Sucrit is sincere and Q Sucrit is intelligent. Then P disjunction Q or P or Q will be Sucrit is sincere or he is intelligent. Like the truth table of P disjunction Q is P Q P disjunction Q is like is just adding suppose it's just nothing but adding the two values of the propositions, like when true true, this will be true, and when it is true Q is false, then it will be true, and when P is false and Q is true, then it will be true, and when both the values are false, then the disjunction value is also false. Like let me give you a simple example to memorize it. Like just let P is 1 and Q is 1, then when both the values of the propositions are 1, then 1 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0, f denotes 0, so 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, and 0 plus 0 is 0. So this is the very simple explanation of disjunction. Now, so this is conjunction, and let me explain you with an example. Let P, it is raining, and Q, it is hot. So as we know, conjunction is a type of logical connective, and logical connective, what is logical connective? How the proposition or statement combines. So by conjunction we will connect or combine two sentences. Here the two sentences or the two propositions are it is raining, it is hot. So P conjunction Q, and conjunction is nothing but and, so it is raining and hot. And the truth table of P and Q is as follows: P, Q, and P and Q, or P conjunction Q. So it is true, true, and true, and this is true, false, 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 true, false, and false, false, false. Like when both the proposition value is true, then only P conjunction Q is true, and when both are different, like both the propositional value are different, then the rest of the values are like P and Q are false. So hope you all know what conjunction is. So hope you both come to know that what conjunction is. So now this is negation. Let P, Pappu is a student of mathematics, then negation of P is nothing but a negative statement of that P, which is Pappu is not a student of mathematics. I hope I have made you understand well all the three logical connectives, and my next part will be on conditional connective. So keep in touch with this channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you.